Hello everyone, welcome to Excellence IAS. My name is Kalyan. I am the Chief Mentor of this institute. Today I am happy to announce Siksha Mentorship program for 26 and 27. This program is designed for those who are planning to write in 2027, those who are done with their coaching, or those who are not clearing prelims in 2 or 3 attempts. This program is a mains first program where we will help you understand that mains is the pathway to prelims. What happens is when many people fail prelims, they again go for prelims preparation. In that process, you will not develop conceptual clarity. So Siksha program is a mains first program where we will help you develop conceptual clarity, understand the weightage of the exam, understand where you have to focus. I will tell you a very simple example. When we say parliament in polity, many students will read parliament and the subparts, how it functions. But when you go to mains, the question will be more in the lines of, is parliament being productive? Is parliament actually having a functioning? Right? You have to talk about why parliament is functioning, not functioning, what can be done. That thought process has to be developed. The same applies to your other subjects as well. Right? So my point here is, if you prepare for mains properly, automatically you will be very strong in the prelims. So Siksha program will help you do that. And one more problem that many students face is lack of accountability. They will sit 8 to 10 hours in front of the books in the study hall, or they will watch YouTube videos. But unfortunately, after 1 week, they will not be able to recall anything. So Siksha program has a unique way to make sure your accountability is there. Every Monday in Siksha, we will show you a weekly syllabus and we will help you identify what is the most important mains area in that particular week syllabus. Then we will also give you a 1-page detailed handouts, and most importantly we will also give you a 1-page keyword notes for each topic, so that we will save you a lot of time to focus on where to read. After that, Tuesday we will have a test discussion. The prior week's test will be discussed in Tuesday. How do I know that you are reading well? So every week we meet twice, Wednesday and Saturday. In Law Excellence building, you have to come, you have to sit with your peers and write answers in a timely fashion. Every Wednesday and Saturday we will give you 7 questions which you have to write on that particular syllabus based on our handouts and keywords in a timely fashion. And not only this, every week you can come and meet the mentors who are also the faculty members here in Law Excellence. You can come and talk to them, get your doubts resolved. Every student will be given 30 to 45 minutes depending on their problems. This will cover your schedule, how to read, when to read, what to read, am I reading it properly, am I remembering it properly, how do I fit my optional in this entire schedule. Everything can be discussed with a mentor. You can always come to Law Excellence to meet the mentors, get your assessment and then decide to join this program. This program is totally unique because it is about conceptual clarity in mains. Now, and once you are done from Monday to Saturday, on Sunday you have a test, mini test here in Law Excellence. Sometimes you will have prelims questions, but every week you have to write mains answers. Those copies will be evaluated, and once your copy is evaluated, you can sit with a mentor for 45 minutes and get your doubts resolved, like how can I improve, what is wrong with my intro. If you join any just online only evaluation, what happens is they will say intro has to be improved, but here you have a live experience to talk to a mentor to understand how that particular intro can be improved. That uniqueness, that personal touch is what makes Siksha a student-centric program. So personal mentorship is not only about giving you schedules and targets, it is about identifying your strengths and weaknesses and help you write better answers, help you improve your conceptual clarity. If your notes is not good, your thinking will not be good, your writing will be bad. So Siksha will help you understand how to develop a good notes, how to recall, how to write better answers. So that is the beauty of this program. So what happens to many students is they will think that mentorship is about test series. Mentorship is the right direction. Test series is a tool to test whether you are in the right direction or not. So we will have mains tests till December. Post January or after your Sankranti holiday specifically, we will start our prelims preparation as well. Because you are done with your entire GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4 essay also in this program, your prelims will become much easier. That is the core idea. We will help you cover all the syllabus. All the faculty members of Law Excellence are also part of the Siksha program. They will help you, they will guide you. You can come and meet us and you will get a detailed feedback. That is our promise. anyone who is thinking to join a personal mentorship, first come meet us, okay. Only when you are satisfied with our feedback regarding your entire preparation, our assessment, then only join this program. That is the trust we have on this program, okay. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.